In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account with Currys. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to currys.co.uk. Now, once you're here, this is the official website of Currys. We need to click onto account. It'll be located top right hand corner of the page. Then from here, a pop-up will appear and it will say not a member. Click on create an account. Now what we need to do is fill out this form. So create your Currys account. So jot in your first name, last name, email address, phone number, which is optional, password, confirm password, and count me in if you like to join Currys perks. How should we contact you? Email, SMS. So choose which one. You can have both selected. Click I'm not a robot and click create an account. So I'm going to quickly fill this out. Okay, I filled out this account. Now I'm going to click create account. Now from here, please verify your account. So go to your email address that you've created your account with and put in that verification code. All right, I'm inside my email and here's the says you recently attempted to verify your email address. Here's the verification code. So I'm going to copy this 6-digit code, come back to Currys, put in that verification code and then click verify my account. Now give that a few moments to verify. Once you've done that, it will say welcome back, your name, go to my account.